All right, thanks for taking the time to check out my video. This is going to show you how to make Pinterest pins for free with a web-based program called Canva. And if you've never seen any of my videos before, my name is Sean. I'm from SEOsorcerer.com. I'd appreciate it if you could go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy my content. All right, so here we are. We're at Canva.com. This is actually a free graphic design program, web-based program. Canva.com. They do have a paid version, which I do use. I didn't use it for a while, but I just, recently I switched to it. It's $12.95 a month. I'll have a link for you in the description that will give you a free 30-day trial, so you can check it out. No credit card required. So then you can decide, if you use the pro features or not. But here we go. We're going to go ahead and you go to create a design and then Pinterest pin. It takes you here. And on the left, you can see all the different options you have with templates, photos, templates where you can do a video pin, you can do food pins, you can search right here for anything that you need. We're just going to keep it basic here. I'm not a talented artist, so designer. And even I can make decent looking pins with this. So we're going to go to textures. Just make a nice simple pin. I like this for the background. Just click on it. It puts it over there. Uploads. These are all things I've uploaded. I use unsplash.com as the site I use to find a lot of backgrounds and just stock photos. This is actually my logo that I'm going to add. I add this to every pin at the bottom. You go to elements. This is actually a paid feature. You can find a lot of these as free downloads. Actually, these are free. These elements are free. So some of them, like here's an example of a pro. So Pinterest will do that. We're gonna be making a pin to my intro to Pinterest marketing webpage. So we'll just do that there. We're gonna add some text. Click text. Add a heading. And then we're just gonna add some. All right, then we're going to highlight it, and we're going to make the font bigger. Oh, too big. Still too big. We're going to make a different font. They have all kinds of fonts. Okay, we can actually make this a little bigger again. Highlight it again. There's how you change the text color. You can make it any of the different colors. It automatically takes the colors in the design and you can match it up. Let's match it up with my logo at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and do something different here. Make the Pinterest in blue, even though they're generally red. That way we're all matched up. And there we go. I mean, Pinterest like this, this is a Pinterest that could potentially get a lot of traffic. But like you saw, it's very easy. And that's it. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed it, again, like I said, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. And if you have a comment, that'd be even better. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Sean from SEO Sorcerer, and until next time.